sit myself down. Alexa, come on, like what?
Okay.
Alright, so bias for this, well, for today. I mean, it's Friday. Look at the way the market is moving. All right, we don't got no. Well, shit. This crazy downside. I don't care about that ad blocker. Get this shit out the way. My boys, wild, my good. Got my boys in the chat. Okay, so today is Friday. PMI at 9:40 at 9:45. We already had some news at 8:30. Obviously, most times I wouldn't want to trade right now, but we tapped. Bro, this is such a good overnight session trade. Hold up. I still got the account, right? I had to make sure. I had to make sure real quick to work out. Alright, so as far as my bias, I was kind of more lean towards this trade specifically to the downside. I wanted price to consolidate a little bit more, but I should have thought about that. As far as everything else, we can go to the daily time frame and do our top down analysis, work on what we see on the charts. So previous day high, previous day lows, we got those marked out. We got SMT. And SMT formed. We got some highs. NQ. 4 hour. Let's see if I got anything excessive open. No, just got a video. Okay, so we got SMT. Damn. Yes, SMT. We got that going. Oh man. So ES tapped at 80% in an hourly gap. NQ didn't. Hold on. Do this. I'm gonna go like this so we can get the whole thing. Let me try and fix my stream real quick. Get this over here. Alright, so looking at it, right? We have an SMT that formed. SMT, hourly gap. We have this whole range. We already hit the 70, well, the 70 and 80% on ES. And Q only hit, come on. What did I say? Oh, did I lose? Hold on, let me put that back now. Basically, bro, bearish is like typically the move that I'm looking for right now. We tapped the 70% on NQ, and it was only because ES already tapped 80%. So we didn't sweep out. We both swept out some highs. Alright, let's go to the hourly, right? Ah, 5. It's 9:04. We're under 2-day open. So because we're under 2-day open, we have a hourly gap sitting right here. We have an unfilled hourly right here. We look on the 4-hour one last time. We disrespected this 4-hour gap, closed out of it, and then literally started respecting this hourly gap up here. We're still respecting this daily. We have previous day lows down here. If we can get a candle close below previous day lows and take longs to at least these highs, previous day highs, and also these highs that got the new highs that got swept inside this hourly gap. It's a good bias. for longs. But in order for me to continue on that, I have to make sure that everything will align as far as like what I want to see. We didn't close below this low. If I'm looking at it, we didn't we didn't get no market structure shift either. What we did to the downside, this one. Okay, let me fix this. Okay, so we have a market structure shift to the downside, which is okay. It's fine by me. On the lower time frame though, as far as just this hourly, where my brain is like, hold on, I gotta dial myself in here. Okay, so we have these highs here. We have an internal high right here. This is technically a rejection block right now, but we're gonna use it as a high sitting here. We have sitting right here. Rejection block, highs, swept out previous day lows. Let's see, 15-minute. Yeah, perfect. Okay, 15-minute. We got the rejection block sitting right here. If we can inverse this 15-minute gap that we just built and at least get some upside moves, that'd be nice. So longs could look nice. I don't want to actually. If I sit back and I look at it, I don't want to fight no trend. We have a market structure shift to the downside. So the best bet is to respect market structure. But when you look at it on a higher time frame, bro, let me pull up. Let me pull up ES fully too as well. So we're gonna take this out because that's been respected already. We're gonna draw this over. Swept out that high. We swept that H lows. What I typically want to do is, because we got a bunch of things actually sitting on the screen. Go like this, delete them, right? And we're gonna take off ICT kill zones. That's a lot. Nah, that's not that much actually. Right here, not that much either. And then, yeah, so I think I'm just overstimulating my brain. So I gotta really like that's why I'm like I really just gotta relax a little bit. No, cannot take it off. Go like this. Okay. Oh damn, my boy Dylan dipped. It's cool. I ain't tripping. This high right here. Oh shoot, where's my iPad? Damn. Damn. So SMT. My computer's moving slow and it's kind of like it's irritating me, but it's not. Let me see if I just take if I get rid of a couple things. There I go, bro. It's called famine. That's just cool. That's fine. Okay, so we got this downside move right here. Make sure everything correlates. I feel like when they're both matching, it's like it's better because you can capture the whole the whole move is you understand market structure when you look at it from a bigger view. Okay, so hourly, right? We got this hourly, then we also have another unfilled hourly up here. So if we do want a long bias, right, for a rebalance, we want to have we want to have either unfilled gaps, which we do have unfilled gaps. We have unfilled gaps sitting, an unfilled gap sitting right here. Oof, excuse me. We can even see it on. Okay. I gotta dial myself in here, man. I gotta dial myself in. Over here slowing down. I'm gonna soft time it. Alright, so look. We got a 15-minute fair value gap sitting right here, right? 15-minute fair value gap. I also don't think the guys are joining today. It's cool. No trips. Unfilled hourly, 15-minute gap. We can inverse to the upside. Probably if ideally I would like if we can just go up, right? Sweep out this internal high, give us a 5-minute gap higher, break even at this high, pull back a little bit more, rebalance to that exact thing, that exact gap right there, that hourly, which looks good. I won't lie, that does look good. If we can get this, because then if we do get that, and we do get that inversion, and we get that pullback, I can enter in off the 705 of that inversion of a even on the 5-minute, like 5-minute inversion to the upside. Right now we're looking at 913. So if price is just dumping like this, I think we're gonna go higher. In the pre-market, when we go lower, we want to go higher at the end of it. We need a high to sweep in order to create a market structure shift. So high, look, high, low, lower high, lower low, and then if we keep, oh man, high, low, lower high, lower low, or higher, no, lower low, and then we'll create a lower high, higher low, sweep, or even if we sweep this out, come back, sweep this high out, and then retrace and then keep going. I feel like this 15-minute though is gonna feel so strong. I wanna look. Do we have any? Only draws I have lower are these lows right here, these two, well, these 3 lows sitting right here on the 4-hour, and then on the daily, not the daily shit, the hourly. We don't have no gaps right here. We just have this SMT that we can that we might just invalidate. We might just invalidate that whole SMT as a whole. Oh shoot, we have another SMT. I always want to do the most recent SMTs that we have because it just makes sense. It just makes sense. Like it just makes more sense to just use those because alright, we have the SMT, right? After you have the SMT, now we just gotta look for the manipulation back up. After we look for the manipulation back up, it'll be easier for us to just catch that rebound, like manipulation up. Everyone's gonna want to buy. It's gonna come back, stop them out. We're gonna get in at that point, boom, and then take it to the upside. That is the ideal trade that I'm looking for. Cause look, we have the high, we have the internal high right here. All we have to do is break above it. Once you break above that high, above this high in price, it'll be better. Cause right here, bro, look at these. Okay, like look at these lows here. This specific low is like a high support, like very strong support. So I'm just praying that, like, look, even here, strong support zones right there. I'm not like a support and resistance type of guy, but still. Minor portfolios down. What the?
Who is this DJ who just wanted? Said 0 words and accepted his award.
Doom scroll. Let's see. Is SMT still valid? SMT still valid. SMT is still valid. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, SMT is still valid. Had a little panic session there. Damn. Okay. I'm in 5 minutes. Like this long setup looks so solid. Like look. These highs right here. These highs right here. London highs. Sweep out Asia low. Sweep out London lows, Asia lows. We're below. Like come on. 1, 2, 3. Unfilled hourly gap. Like come on, bro. This ain't damn near textbook for your boy, bro. Take this inversion. Let it rebalance a little bit. After, because like when it creates that, it's gonna need like probably like 3-4 candles to make, like if it does, let's see, 1 2 3 4, if it makes 4, then you have the lower fair value gap, and a lower fair value gap lines up with the 80 or 70% for where it's green to take that to the upside. If it doesn't play out though, then it doesn't play out. We can't really trip about that. Oh man, I want to stand. I want to get moving. I need to pull myself up. I know. First, I was sitting down. I needed to sit. But once you start feeling that drowsy feeling, bro, start feeling like a robot. You gotta get up. Get up. Barely makes it. Okay, which is cool. Right. Yes, bro. I'm not gonna even lie. I didn't even get the chance to show the stream the whole setup. So, anyways, I got a standing desk. Got a whole new setup. I got a brand new desk. Got a brand new stand that just holds my stuff instead of the drawers that typically would come from my old desk, I got a mic arm for the mic. I got 2 lights now, so that's why you can see me clearly. See right here, light 1, light 2. Feel me? They're different, but still, one of them is my old one. Still had to keep those, and then the other one is the one that I have now. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm going to disconnect this one, and then I'm going to let's see, go like this, close this, and then yeah, there we go. Look at that. It's right there, and then I'm gonna let's look at the chart still. Damn, fuck. That's literally what's going on in my head right now. Keep myself up. Actually, I feel like it's not that bad. Alright, yeah, I feel like this one. Alright. Yeah, no. We have some eagle lows there, which doesn't. I'll tell you, it doesn't sit right with me. It doesn't, because once ES sweeps out this previous day low, then I literally would just rather see us go long. Like previous day low, take, and like on NQ we have like, come on, bro. On NQ we have a lot of highs. ES same thing. ES we have these highs sitting right here. Swing high, 15-minute. Okay, 15-minute. We have a high right here as well. I'm about to say the best thing I'm gonna do right now is okay. Look, bro, we're looking in this like choppy area right here, which is kind of annoying. But look at the daily, bro. Look at the daily. These are all the highs and lows that we have. We have a low. We have lower lows right here. We have like low lows down here. Low low. We have low lows for. Oh shoot. Let me center you guys. All right. Okay. Now, same thing on IQ. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. So if we do want to go short, I don't blame us for shorts. I do want to be more open-minded to a bias, because if I'm too stuck to a bias, then it might like be the reason why I'm screwed over. But we didn't, bro. Okay, look, hear me out, right? Daily time frame, rejection block. We tap this one, right? Now, hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. For longs, let's support our long bias just a little bit more. In this gold zone that we have here, right? Gold zone 7 and 8, 70%, 80%. Now, 4 hour. Oh shoot, sorry. 4 hour time frame. What lines up with that? Nothing. Let's go to the hourly. What lines up with that again? Nothing. Keep going. Keep in mind, this is a rejection block. Let me change that. Daily. No, we're gonna have to write daily on there. Daily rejection block. Doesn't line up with nothing. But it's a good place to really look. Good place to look. We have these lows right here. Sweep out these lows. If we get any lower, this is what I'm saying. You gotta look at both sides of the picture here. Gotta look at the cup half full, and you gotta look at it half empty. Regardless, I did my prayer this morning. I gotta do my CBE chart. I did some breath work. I did drink some water. Stretching, light movement. Yeah. What did I do today? Chest. Some chest. And then now I'm just dialed in. Okay. And then let's get the trading session. Sorry, I'm on the Notion right now. The Notion, I marked out my levels, reviewed them in previous days, PA, price action of work. And then, what was the news again? PMI 945. And then, 5! Okay. So, we're gonna look at this at both sides. Looking at it from ES. Let's look at the data on ES. ES with the same thing. We also have a rejection block on ES as well. Yes, sir. My boy Dylan is live right now. In the Discord, motion trading. Stop playing with your boy. Okay, so look, ES and NQ look relatively the same here. I got all these highs and lows marked out, which is kind of nuts because I shouldn't, but still, look, we're not that far from it. Besides, hold on, let me actually open this up a little bit. Look at it on the hourly. Oh, this gym session. Oh, shut up. I'm low-key bullish. Not key, but I mean, there's a lot of things that give me bullish confirmation here. We have a plethora of highs here. We have an unfilled hourly gap. We're respecting this daily, which I don't know why, but after we tap this rejection block, we're gonna respect this whole thing. Oh shoot, hold on. I just wanna make sure I get my cause market's about to open. Hold on. Gotta get my iPad. Gotta get my iPad. Yeah, it's 9:27 right now. Gotta keep myself locked in. I'm on a daily. Let's get to that hourly here. Hourly time frame. We don't really have no fair value gaps. We just have an internal low, and ES already swept it out. NQ just swept it out. Well, it wicked the low, which all right, it is what it is. Okay, perfect. So now I know I can delete that. Sorry. So trying to make sure I get these times right. Market's about to open in like 2 minutes. I'm just gonna wait and see. We have any fair value gaps? Oh man, okay. See what I'm looking at? We have a unfilled 15-minute down here, which can still be a good draw. Unfilled 15-minute with the daily rejection block at the 80%. So this area right here, this area will be what I'm looking at for longs. I want a price shoots down the way that I expect it to at market open, tap this level, and then give us strong movements higher. That'll be good. Something like that. You like, come on, bro. You know the market's good for it. The market is good for some shit like that. Plus, then if we do dip off like that in the chart, we just gotta be opened up to multiple biases here. Okay. That's right. Yes. Whoa. Let's see. Whoa. Chill out now. Let me get my boy Corb. Join that Discord real quick. Yo. What levels are you looking at? I'm looking at. Oh man, okay. Market is open, so I want this 5-minute inversion. If we can get the 5-minute inversion to the upside, I want to see like this we swept out these pre-market lows here. We have these highs right here, 15-minute fair value gap. These highs sitting right here. If we go any lower, yo, you can hear me? I'm weird chatting. Yo, Corp. Hold on, gang.
Dude, I gotta like low key lock in. Like I feel like I'm not dialed right now, like mentally.
What makes you say that?
I don't know. Like I just feel like my mental's just like I'm like in like a doom scrolling mode. Like I just feel that. Like yesterday I was on the charts and I fucking caught a beautiful trade. Like I felt mentally just so like dialed in. Like right now I just don't feel dialed in. So I probably would just trade evals unless I see an absolute fucking god tier setup.
That's fair though.
It was like a breakdown of trading opinion yesterday. Or yesterday.
And you didn't do it?
Dude, no, I took it in class and I just pretty much straight to practice.
Damn, yo, this 5. Oh my gosh, this 5-minute inversion is fucking nuts. Oh. I'm not gonna lie though, I would have never expected price to just start pushing like this. I'm not gonna lie. 15-point stop. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not really sure. I'm kind of just gonna wait. 'Cause we do like still have news and shit at 9:45, I think.
No, that's
I
100%.
don't think it's gonna I don't think it's gonna do that much. But I just like I'm not 100% sure like where I want to see price go. Like I think on a higher time frame, like I think we are gonna go a tiny bit lower and like just take out the lows at least at like 24 470 or 480 or 450, sorry. 24 450, like those lows down there. But I just don't know. I don't really see a lot yet.
You said 24 450. Okay, that's one of the lows I have. But I'm thinking we may not even get all the way down there all today. So I'm thinking like if we do push lower, what I'm looking at is 572, like between 572 and 608. But damn, the way that this shit is moving is nuts.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
I
just like my thing is like I would have really liked to have taken previous day high out and then like started selling off. But, like it's annoying because like, I want to take shorts, but like previous day high is untouched with like, you know, we already took out previous day low and it's starting to reverse, and like I don't really want it to reverse, but midnight open like doesn't look terrible.
Like so, what I was looking for was this 5-minute inversion, at least a pullback after. Oh my gosh. I mean, I'm also not gonna be mad if I don't take a trade either, but it's kind of just like a bro.
Yeah.
I think is that the same high I was talking about? Yeah, that same. So ES didn't take out this high. ES didn't close out of this high that I wanted to see, but NQ did. So I make. Oh man.
Oh, okay. I see. I was like blind. I was like, wait, am I missing something? I see it now. It's retarded. So what the fuck is he looking at? I was sorry. All right. Yeah, I see. Did the ES take it out? Oh, we just did.
Yeah, now we do. Okay. And now we're just going. I wouldn't want to. I typically wouldn't even.
Kind of looking. I have this marked down. I'm probably not going to take it, but 846 was something I had. I think it was based off of the hourly, that hourly like little wick that tapped into the hourly fair value gap.
Yeah, I see what you're talking about.
This whole.
I saw that one.
So I wanted to see how the 5-minute does here. I'm gonna wait for a 5-minute confirmation. I was curious to see how this reacted off of this. I didn't think it was gonna like be anything too crazy, but let's see. We had 830, the opening price of 830. Let's see if we can react off of this. I gotta see what this 5 minute does. If it like provides anything, then maybe I'll take a little something. Maybe even like towards the unmitigated 5 minute gap below. If we have like, a little pullback into that.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm at this point in my trading where I'm just gonna take it. Say fuck the consistency rule. Like this is nuts, bro. Break down low, 5 minute inversion, but like even on the 1 minute, bro. There's no way. There's no way that we have. Okay, I mean we're at 2,000 volume, so the fact we're at 2,000 volume.
The volume is there.
We're at 5K.
The volume is definitely there.
We're at 5K. We're sitting at good volume
like,
too.
We're 40-point candles here. This is a 60.1 minute candle. Like, there's definitely volume. It's just to make sure where price wants to go. I mean, another level I have is 902 midnight open, but it's not really exact. Before it was kind of aligned with 0.705, and now it's kind of not. So again, I'm not really gonna probably take anything off of that, but I don't know. I'm curious to see what we do here. What does the hourly look like? I mean, the hourly doesn't look bad. It's like, I guess if we made a nice rejection block out of that.
No, the hourly looks shit to me. Cause like when you look at the hourly, bro, it's straight. Like we've just been going down, up, sweep out a high, down, and now we're just rebalancing out something. But like we're not getting to that 70%, which kind of gets me mad. Cause it's like, bro, I want price to come down. I want it to, but I know if it doesn't, I could care less. But I'm more trying to look for.
This week has overall been tricky.
I mean, I made money yesterday, which was okay, but it was like, damn, bro. We took out all those highs.
Bro, this guy entered off of 680 and caught that entire move.
No fucking.
What the fuck? What did you even take? Oh, no way. He took. No, okay, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck this guy took. You see?
I'm not seeing a thing.
Yeah, I don't really see.
Unless bro's trading off of fucking order blocks.
Yeah, I see nothing here. What did this guy take at 680? He like nailed it to the exact tick. 15? I don't see anything here. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know.
Okay, now hear me out. Hear me out. We got the 15-minute, right? 15-minute time frame. If we 15-minute time frame, we have a new 5-minute that's gonna be made after this candle closes. Well, not this one, but in the next 6 minutes.
No, midnight open. What did ES do? Is ES still kind of? ES is kind of falling behind a little bit here. Oh wait, that was data high. That's why we were going up. We just took out data highs.
Data high.
News on MQ. Yeah, dude, there was news at 8:30. So that's kind of, I think that's what the draw just was right there. We just went up and took out data highs.
Alright, now we have.
So let's see if we get anything out of this now for shorts, ideally, I guess. This 5-minute wick looks kind of berserk here. It's a little too big though. It's too big of a wick.
I feel like because we sucked out that high, we have this market structure shift. The next candle after this may excite me. We'll see.
Yeah. What time is it? 9:30. We have news in 5 minutes.
I'm genuinely looking for longs though. I really want longs to hit.
See, dude, that's kind of my issue. Is I'm sitting here and I'm like, I don't actually have like an exact idea. I feel of where price wants to go. So I do have a nice short level, all the way up at 0.76. That was like the main level that I was looking at. It's a 4-hour rejection block, and we tapped into a 4-hour fair value gap. So like to me, that looks really good for shorts, but like that's just so long from now.
Yeah, this big ass wick, bro. This is nuts. This is nuts.
Dude. You see the 4-hour? You see the 4-hour right now? Just look at the 4 hours. Look, this is what I was saying. Like the 4-hour, like if this candle closes on the 4-hour like bullish, like that's a crazy rejection block. Like it's valid because like we swept out all this liquidity here and then have a massive rejection out of that. But But like again, like I still just don't understand like where does price actually like right now. I'm not 100% sure. Like everything looks like it's like to me like this looks like a great long setup. But like my instance, like do we even like is that where the draw actually is? Like I don't know where the draw is right now.
I really don't. Because I promise you, literally prior to you talking about like when you sent the text message like, yo, who's on court to trade? I'm like, oh, like I already did the bias, I already did what I wanted to see, and like as I was telling stream like, yo, bro, like price is good enough to tap down to this like unfilled 15 minute and then just start flying up. Just as I look down, it hits 9:30 and we start zooming. I was like, oh, okay, guess not.
Dude, like look, is it like I don't know if it's crazy like a short, a little short right here might not be that.
Short from you would be terrible.
But maybe like I think I'm just gonna be a little more patient. Right? I don't know. I was really patient yesterday, but played off flawlessly. It was actually, yo, guess what? Oh my god, dude, funny story. There was this kid trading in my class,
Not
and I went and
anymore.
talked with him. Like he was like the boy.
Is he tough though?
So hold up. I'll tell you the story in 2 seconds. Let me just. Okay, I'm happy I didn't take that entry. Yeah, I was in the back of the class looking for an entry. I'm like, to me, did you trade yesterday? You actually caught a dub early, right?
Yeah, bro, that trade was so solid. It was like everything played out. And the funny thing is, if I was on stream, it would have been 10 times funnier. It was like I got out the shower and I was like about to put my clothes on. I looked up at my TV because my TV has a clock on it, and I looked at my TV and the TV says 9:27 or like I think it was like 9:27 or like 9:26, and I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm tripping. I still have my towel on. I come to the computer, turn on the computer, chart up in like 2 minutes. I'm like, all right, this level, fuck it, we're gonna take it. Boom. I mark it out, place the limit. I'm just sitting there. And as I'm sitting there, and I like look to start, cause you know I do the notion to start the day and stuff. So like I do the notion, and as I like look over, I just get entered in, and then I already up 600, and I was like, you know what, it's just fire, bro. And I joined the call. I'm like, yo, I just banked the trade, and you know Eli over there glazing the situation. He like, bro, you ain't want to trade with the boys. And I'm like, bro, why you gotta make it like that, bro? It was never. That's not what it was, bro. Okay, so for downside, it's kind of good though because we just tapped the 80%, but we still gotta look for some type of short setup. No, wait. Some people with that ass catch this shit off this. Like this 5 minute that's sitting right here. What? Yo, can you what? Nah, this is nuts. Unfilled. Unfilled 5 minute.
Dude, I think we go lower at some point because ES has like I don't want to say it's equal lows because like, it technically got swept out by like a point.
Mm-hmm.
But it got swept out by 0.5 of a point. And like I think that's just not enough. Like at ES and the hourly, like there's pretty much equal lows down there.
Mm-hmm.
So I almost want to see. I do kind of want to see shorts up there.
Nah, yo, this is nuts. I just marked out. So if you, I'm pretty sure you can still see my screen. I just marked out a 5 minute fair value gap that went unfilled, and I marked out the fib, and just back like just a little bit more deeper into the retracement, bro, was that unfilled 5 minute gap, and then price filled that exact shit to the tick and just started dumping, bro. This is nuts. Why did we start?
I low-key think it goes a few pair higher. I mean, I hope. I don't know if I want to, because like I see exactly what it reacted off of. But like my level that I was hoping it would have reacted off was like a few pair higher. It's 961.
961.
That little gap, that 5 minute gap in there, you see it?
Oh, right here. You got this one.
I think that one's gonna go. Because that's also look at the hourly rejection block as well.
Oh shoot! I didn't keep that.
How big of a stop loss would this be?
I only really be using 15.
Oh, that's fucking fat.
I use like a 15.
I've been doing, yeah, I've been doing, I do between like 10 is still like my standard. Like sometimes I'll bump to like 13, 14, or like 7, 8 ish. But I don't know. This
That's
is
actually not that bad of a. I won't even lie. That's actually not that bad of a level. Do you have your limit set?
No, I'm not. I think I'm just gonna wait for like a 5 minute entry trigger off of this just for confirmation. Like I want the level to get hit, and I want like a 5 minute projection block out of it, and then like I'll take it if we get like a good reaction.
Fair. Still respecting this. We still have this 15-minute gap that's sitting at price right here. So we might actually like looking at the time. We might tap that level and then respect the 15-minute. That's what
Yeah,
that's what I'm thinking.
yeah, I agree.
So I might have to place that limit.
It honestly might work. I'm afraid, but I feel like I shouldn't be. Oh, you know what I'll do? I'll do it on evals at least, right? Just in case. Because
I made
960.
I made 600 yesterday. So if I made 600 yesterday, we already had news as well too. So fuck it. Oh shoot! Hold
Send
on.
my evals.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I want to do a 10-point stop. Maintain some shit. What? Oh, that's 46. 10-point stop is 46, correct?
And it's kind of dumping, so we might be cooked here.
No way. Bro. That 15-minute gap was, that 15-minute gap was really respected like that, bro. What's going on here? What's going on? Like, the way I'm looking at it is tap the 15. It's like tap the 15-minute after we tap the 15-minute. Hold on.
Fuck, dude, that's like not what I wanted to see happen.
We have a 5. Well, based off of how this 5-minute closes, we might get a good close here with that rejection block.
But now, yeah, but like, dude, like I hate when that happens though, when it doesn't tap it, because then now I start tweaking. I'm like, yo, what if I just take it off of this 5 minute rejection block that's forming right now, and then it like still goes and hits the actual low. You know?
Point, yeah. I mean, I feel you,
Like
bro.
that's just not like this is just like not a reaction I wanted to see happening at all. Like this is like yeah, this is not what I wanted to see happen.
It's about to be 950, so don't trip, bro. If you still like, I might still actually take this trade. Like, I'm not itching.
I have the limit set on my evals just in case.
It's 950 is about to be here in like literally like 40 seconds. So if we just go back up, flip out that high, tap into that entry point. Because it's still.
Yeah, I can't believe that I edged it like that.
No, that's definitely a fact. We have an unfilled 5 minutes sitting right here that formed. So that would be my only real draw if we can get, if we can fuck, if we could fuck, damn, damn.
Dude, I'm gonna be honest. I might just not take this anymore. I don't know if I like it anymore. Like I would have been at break even ages ago already.
Damn, it's the way that price skipped up, tapped it, and then came back down. So alright, we got this low.
Like we're already at a 6. Like I would have been at a 6-1 risk to reward already. All right, maybe I take a 5. Maybe I can't even get an entry trade because we're not getting a pullback into the level.
Yeah, no, we're definitely not. We do have a 5-minute.
Shit. That's unfortunate.
Yeah, that's really nuts, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, how do you, bro? Like, what the fuck? This is hourly. That's where my head's at. Like, what? Bro, what? Because we have 2 hourly candles. And what all right, so generally what makes me more mad is that the first initial trade I wanted to see, it would have played out if like the inversion happened, but then like when I'm looking at it, I'm like, bro, we still have like 3-4 minutes. It doesn't matter. Like as much as it just inverts this shit hard as hell, there's no way that it's gonna mess me up like this. But I'm not gonna lie, once it hits 10, I'm giving myself till 10:30.
My entire dude, half of the guys in my Discord like, bro, I got edged.
Hey yo. Yeah, yesterday I made 600. Bullish. That was a good trade too. I'm not gonna lie, that was a solid.
Really, it's so unfortunate, dude. Fuck. Oh well.
Let me check this shit out. We still got longs in play.
That's so unlucky.
This is like big time risky biscuit shit here.
That's so unlucky.
Oh shoot. I'm gonna keep a positive mind up until 10. Because if we did this pullback, we might still get a pullback, especially with the fact that we have lower prices and we still have unfilled fair value gaps here. We have a big ass 15-minute, 5, 3 minutes. We have a 3-minute rejection block. That's not that very much supportive right there. But I'll still stay optimistic.
My God, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What?
8. 8 people are all fucking responding and saying, yeah, I just got edged on that as well.
Damn, bro.
That's crazy.
What the absolute fuck? What was I gonna do?
Brutal.
No, that's absolutely nuts, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I might have to like the way it's pissing me off. Like I'm just gonna like, I still got the rejection blocks and the fair value gaps there. We still have this unfilled. Like the thing that's getting me is we have this fair value gap, this hourly fair value gap with a swing high in front of it. So that's why I want to see longs. But the way that price is moving, bro, we have a market structure shift. So I know price, like after we have a market structure shift to the upside, I know price wants to rebalance. Hold on, I'm tweaking. I know price wants to rebalance itself. My question is, where do you want to rebalance to? Okay, we have a 5-minute fair value gap.
Dude, I think we still go lower here. I think this is the draw right now for me.
No, we could definitely still go
here.
lower. I'm just saying, like, if we're still bullish, I want to see that 5. Like, all right, cool. Stop. I'm gonna stop pissing myself off, and I'm just gonna deal with this. All right. We have immense bullish movement. We have a market structure shift. We want to pull back. We have this 5-minute fair value gap sitting right here. I'm gonna see what price does because we still have this swing high. We still have a swing high sitting up here. Let me look at the standard deviation of this move. Where does that line up? An hourly fair value gap. Just near some PD arrays. Okay.
This is a stupid entry. Fuck it. I'm gonna take it out on emails. No, I'm not. It's cat. I think it's just gonna be a recipe for disaster. We'll just wait the extra 5 minutes. Call it back. Let's see.
5-minute rejection block. Look, 5-minute rejection block lining up with the 80%. I'm gonna have to take this 5-minute fair value gap away. We have this hourly rejection block that literally got edged. So like alright, so let's hear me out, right? If we do go short, we have a 5-minute rejection block that's lining up with the 80% of the fib. We respected the shit out of this 15-minute fair value gap, which is kind of crazy because if we just entered in off that 15-minute tap, like it tapped that 15-minute gap, and then if we just entered in 15-point stop, bro, we would have still been green. Still been green. And then take it down to this unfilled 5 right here. This would look like an ideal setup for the downside. See if that plays out, but regardless if it does or doesn't, bro, I like damn, that was such a good move. All right, 15-minute inspection, but look at the 1 minute. The 1 minute is why I'm mad. It's like, bro, what the fuck is this? I'm gonna look at the 5 and 15 only up until I see my setup actually play out, because we have this daily fair value gap. We have this 15-minute unfilled fair value gap. We have a daily rejection block. Previous day low already got swept. So the fact that previous day low already got swept, that's exactly why I'm like, you know what, we might get those higher prices, but I need to make sure. Oh shit, bro, I'm slacking, bro. I'm gonna set an alert for this EQ. And then I'm gonna I'm gonna do my Notion, because I gotta do a CBE chart.
That's so brutal that happened, dude.
Did I miss last week? Bro, I did, bro. What do you think went well this week? Shit, I took yesterday. That's what went well. My discipline for the week. Structure shift, ideal setup, looking for longs still, but we have to come back here and we still have these highs. We already just made a market structure shift on higher time frame, go on the 5 minute. So if we do want to see like shorts or something, I will want to see us tap back into this rejection block sitting on the 5 minute that aligns with the 80. Well, it doesn't fully align, but it's near the 80%. So that would be where I would keep my limit order. And it's also at that 15-minute fair value gap that's been respected twice. So I would look for shorts into this unfilled 5. That's my other setup. That would be my other setup that I'd look for. What about you, Corb?
Well, my level that I like would have gambled on that I'm not taking would have been literally just 0.5 right here at 905. Like a 10-point stop, but I don't know if it's actually gonna play out.
905, 10-point stop. Not that bad.
Low key might play out. Okay.
We have 7. We have 7.
Oh, there it goes. I just hit TP. I hit TP. I would have hit TP already. Oh my god.
10 a.m. key open.
Did you just see that?
No.
Did you just see that?
No.
Oh my god, look. Look at my screen.
Hold on. Let me see.
And the hypothetical I entered right here.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Did you see that? So look, let's say I entered right here. Bro, look what happened. I entered here, it whipped down in 0.5 seconds and went back up here. I would have hit TP. It went like this instantly.
Sheesh.
What the fuck? Oh my god, I wish you had seen that. What the fuck was that? Man, that's retarded.
If we tap the rejection block, I'm gonna enter in 15. I'm gonna do a 10-point stop instead. Because if I lose 200, I'm still up 400 on the week, which is still good for me. I just need to see us get up there. Rejection block right Set my limit. Let's go. Let's go.
Taking this on evals only.
Man.
It's
I
10 a.m.
mean, I only have one right now. Yeah, 10 a.m. is right now. That's why I'm trying to see price pull back up to that rejection block.
Again.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. I just got insta fucked. Oh my god, it's getting up to my level.
I'm so
Thank god that was an eval only.
I'm about
Jesus
to say,
Christ.
I am so glad.
Dude, oh my god. Dude, holy spread. I lost 900 instead of 200.
Collectively. It just
Are you
tapped. It just
kidding
tapped
me?
an hourly rejection block again, but it doesn't look like it's gonna support it. It looks like it's just gonna go. Damn.
Bro, I got filled so late. I got filled at 967. No way. Alright, I'm instant entering short in about 3 seconds.
Where's your
I'm
level
gonna
at?
get fucking so much later it is.
Nah, I might have to. I'm not gonna lie. This sounds so crazy. I'm gonna be. That's where you're in right now.
I tried to. I'm just gonna see. Dude, I didn't even say I'm like in this. What the fuck is going on? Am I in this? I can't tell. I am in this. Fuck.
Oh my gosh, bro. I don't want to do that to myself. I'm not gonna do that to myself. I'm not gonna do that. I need to. I'm about to say.
So I'm up 700.
Already? What was your level?
I just literally just randomly entered, I'm gonna be honest, because I was down 900 in the account, so I was like, alright, fuck it, I'll just fucking full port it, I guess.
What?
1300.
Oh wait, what accounts do you have? Because I'm like, bro.
These are my Apex evals. But dude, look, it doesn't even say I'm in a position here. Oh, it just kicked me out. Dude, what the fuck? I'm in a position, but it doesn't say I am.
I gotta delete all of this.
Dude, I literally hit the level I had. I'm just gonna hold this until the end of the day. I literally, like, this was my long position that I was looking at. I had this marked up.
Order filled.
Alright, let's give him a pass 2 more evals today, because I'm just gonna hold this until the rest of the day.
Oh. Why right now? I'm gonna lie, this is absolutely nuts.
Like 2,000 with one contract.
What the
Dude, this is like a 200-point move. Or, actually, it's only 100 so far. But I'm literally able to hold this until the end of the day. I'm convinced this is the high today.
We're not gonna disrespect this daily. That's kind of what got me, but it's a Friday. That's kind of what also got me mad because I'm up 600 on the week, which is fine by me. But damn,
I'm just a little confused. Oh, now it says I'm in the trade. Okay. I'll break even.
brother. That 1 minute spread right here is crazy. What? Why did it?
We're still dumping.
I just want to know why it just flew up like that. Actually, hold on. Do I have the trade of it? No. I should probably get that. I'm not gonna lie.
$3,000.
Holy days.
Created my own version, kinda refined it through experience, trial and error.
That's
I got filled so late on that. Can't believe that person.
I just can't be mad at it. That's kind of where my head's at. I just can't be mad at it. This shit is, yo, this shit wants me to full port. I'm not doing that. Give me my one contract, goofy. Bro. So you entered in at what? 2583?
20, 25.54. I had my level marked out at 25.78.
Oh man, that's a solid. That's actually pretty fucking solid. I'm just hurt. Like, why? Why didn't you answer me? Like, why didn't you give me a setup? Why didn't you give me the setup that I needed? Damn. I won't lie. I'm like, depending on how
I'm 4,000
on in total.
on each account.
So you passed the evals.
No, because I lost 900. I'm about to pass the evals in $300, but
Okay, perfect. I don't think I'm not gonna
no
lie.
reversing. I mean, it's lucky. I might not even trade anymore the rest of the day. I really don't see anything. I mean, there's like an actual short right here, like a little bit more into short, but I really don't see anything else.
I'm more sick as
I don't want to like get cocky and like enter on like a real account here.
No, it's fair play though. I had to clear off my whole chart. If the next into next week, oh man, bro, my feet are starting to hurt. Hold on, let me sit down. Oh, did I show you my setup, bro?
Let me just kind of log into my. Log into my phone.
I was gonna say, damn.
Well, if I get stopped out here, these accounts are gonna get long. So
Just like that.
because it was so yeah, well, because it's trailing on eval, it's trailing. So technically, I'm back at 50,000. If I get stopped out and I'll lose the accounts.
Damn, bro, what the?
Wow, this is a massive reversal. Surely we don't fully reverse on here, right?
I'm looking right now, bro.
I don't even know like what to do.
Yeah, I'm about to say you're actually up crazy though. I would say like if you're in profits right now on the account, just take it. Fuck.
Dude, but like I'm honestly fine with letting it run, dude. Just leave it out. But at the same time, this is really gonna fully reverse and no shot it does, right?
Nah, I doubt it.
I feel like this has to be the high of the day. Like this was my draw for high of the day.
I'm kind of just like,
Stop, cancel. The fuck? This, oh my god, dude! I think I literally like may have blown the account. It came all the way back. I think.
what?
Did they hit the stop? I'm confused. I don't know. I genuinely don't know what just happened. But it auto closed it for me, so that's not a good sign.
Yeah, just look you bad.
Order rejected.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's not letting me do it. I think I should just blew the account.
Damn. Fuck.
It's just so crazy, man.
That's kind of all you can really say. Like,
Alright.
damn.
Yeah. I guess whatever.
It's alrighty, brother. It happens to the best of us.
Well, alright, so we need to go up. Like, I'm confused. Dude, that's so brutal. That's all confused. We just account torch now. I'm like, what? I don't
That's
know.
fair. That's fair play though. I'd be a little confused as well myself. Not gonna lie.
We have so many equal lows. Like, we gotta go back down. We have to.
It's only 10-11, so it's
And
kind of.
then hypothetical, I would have entered here.
You know what got me more mad, bro? We came down. Like, you know how they say like the 10 a.m. Once 10 a.m. starts, bro, you can catch a reversal, bro. Like, fuck that, bro. I need A plus, A plus setup immediately, bro. There's nothing I want more than an A plus setup completely. You know what else I messed up, boy? I did not check my YouTube. Cause what?
Oh my god, this guy just talked the piss out of it.
Can you believe it? People have installed machine guns right in their homes as a security system. They use very
I'm probably not gonna take a trade, dude. These candles are way too big.
It's not crazy to say that.
Like each candle is like a 50-point candle.
Oh shit.
I don't know what to do.
No, I'll probably get off. I'm gonna end my stream though.